equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some cleaning solution. First, power off your device and unplug it. This ensures safety during maintenance. Next, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any dust or debris that may affect performance. Using the soft cloth, gently clean the interior. Avoid using excessive force. If you notice any damaged parts, remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, check all connections and ensure everything is secure. Reattach the back panel, tightening the screws carefully. For convenience, consider our pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about no calls, no travel. If repairs are needed, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device. Keep it clean and check it regularly for the best performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.